Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you a test that I made of these nail polishes. Actually, these nail polishes and this top coat of Kinetics. I was wearing one nail set for 10 days and one hand even more because for 11 days. So yeah, if you are interested to see how these nails look like after 10 days and what I think about these nail polishes and this top coat, please keep on watching. I just wanted to give you an update with my nails. Today is Friday and this is how they look like. This hand I made on Tuesday, and as you can see they still look very fresh. Here the ends are slightly off, but it's really not very visible from the top, and as you can see I have a bit of nail grow in here. And this hand I made on Monday and I was doing some cleaning up, so this one for example you can see that the end is more off than on the other hand, and the rest looks pretty good and fresh. To be honest, I cannot really complain. So far so good. And I wanted to show you the view because I'm in this beautiful place. And yeah, this is what inspired me actually to do the nail art. These clouds. Okay, so that's it. I will keep walking because there is a lot kilometers still to do, and I will see you tomorrow and on Sunday, and I don't know, maybe on Monday with the update. Hi, my trip is coming to an end, so I am coming today with a nail update. It's Sunday morning and this is how my nails look like. Here, as you can see, I have a crack because I bent my nail and it hurt pretty bad, but as you can see the nail polish is still on. I don't know if other nail polishes would be able to survive that, probably not all of them. As you can see here, I actually have some nail growth. This is the hand that I made on Tuesday, so it has 5-6 days. And here probably only this nail looks like it is worn for more than 2-3 days because the ends are a bit off. Other than that, I would say they are pretty impressive, and as you can see, if you look from pretty far away, they look very fresh and very nice. And what I've noticed is that because I use also Kinetics top coat, and it is very shiny, the shine just does not go away, which I like a lot. So yeah, this is this hand, and this hand is the one that has almost full week because I made them on Monday, and also they look pretty good. Probably I would say that these nails and also the other hand, they look like normal nail polish, like probably second or third day, maybe third day, when the when you have no nail polish on nail tip. Oops, sorry, a bit of Vaseline which I put before I make this shot. So yeah, so far so good. I have to admit that I'm pretty impressed with the quality of this nail polish. Also, I want to tell you that I did like I needed to pack suitcases. With this hand, I was cleaning up on Monday because we had some furniture, new furniture at home, so I needed to do some cleanup. I was doing dishes with this hand, so I think it was, you know, tested properly. For now, my thoughts are that if I have something like that, like a nail polish that is able to survive for such a long time, probably there is no need for me to use gel polish on vacation, which I was usually doing because, you know, 5 days, a regular nail polish will not always be able to survive, so gel polish is the best option. But here with this one that survives such a long time, I think it's great. It's Wednesday today, and I wanted to make a quick update with you. So as you can see, well, I removed my cuticles, and it seems like I have a lot of nail growth. They still look pretty good, I need to admit. It's been a bit more than a week, and here you can see there are some chips, but it's because I was doing some stuff that I shouldn't be doing, so it's basically my fault. And the rest, to be honest, looks pretty good. The only thing is that the ends here and here are a bit off as before, but they just wear off. This is a normal thing, so I don't really have anything to complain about. And this is how the other hand look like. And here we have I made them last Monday, which means that they have 9 days. 9 days, seriously, this is amazing. And here there are no chips, just on this nail and these two I have the ends that pretty much are a bit off, but to be honest, you cannot really see that from far away. I mean, you can, but you know, there's nothing like someone will look at that and will say like, oh my god, your nail polish looks so disgusting. Nothing like that. So yeah, this is amazing, to be honest. And these two nails are perfect. Nothing is really happening. So the only thing is that you know, nail is growing and there are some new things. Oops, mosquito. So yeah, and they still look perfect. Hey, I'm coming here with another update. Now I'm just grabbing with my camera. I think this is a bit too bright. Okay, now it's better. So this is how my nails look like after 10 days. I think they look pretty cool and pretty good. As you can see here, I took my macro lens to show you how they look like up close. And here you can see there are a few cracks. This is because I bent my nail. But you know, other than that, they look pretty good. Only, you know, the tip. There's no tip on the, no nail polish on the tip. Here, as you can see, there is the same situation. So there is no nail polish on the tip. And here as well. And this one looks like that, and this one looks like that. So these nails have 10 days, but I think that they still look pretty good. And if it wasn't for the nail growth here, I would be able to still wear them because they don't really look bad. It's just that I'm really over these nails and I need to change them and put another nail polish because I have so many new stuff to test out. So I just need to get rid of this one. When it comes to my nails in general, these one have one more day, just FYI. So when it comes to my nails, when my nails are in good condition, the nail polish actually will last 1 week without major chips or things like that. So I think it's up to your nails and your nail condition to see whether this nail polish will survive or not. For me, it did survive, although when I use good quality nail polish, it just stays on. And this is something that I was talking about in my video, which I made some time ago. So I have a video which I will link in the description with my tips and tricks on how to make the nail polish last a very long time. And yeah, to be honest, when it comes to these nail polishes, I need to admit that they are pretty cool and I really like them. To be honest, they are very easy to work with and the application is very smooth. So this is just, you know, a pleasure to work with these polishes. And also I love the brush, which makes painting nails very easy, which is also a good thing. So here, to get long-lasting manicure, they say that you should use one of the nail polishes and then you should use this top coat, which is supposed to make the nail polish last up to 10 days. And yeah, as you can see, these nails, I think they have 11 days and they look good, other than, you know, there is a nail growth, but they still look pretty damn good. So yeah, I'm really happy with this set, and obviously I will use these polishes more because they also have pretty cool colors, which I like, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I think that will sum up that review. I think that there's not much more to say because, you know, these nails, I think that they speak for themselves, and you can see that, you know, the nail polish did last and it looks very good. So, you know, pretty good alternative, I would say, for gel nail polish. I don't know why everyone uses gel polish and everyone assumes that only gel polish will last, which is so not true. And I think that it's very good that brands are coming up with combos like that that will make your nail polish stay for, you know, more than 1 week as gel polish. Yeah, I prefer to, you know, change my nails every 3 days. This is like the maximum length I go with one set of nails. And also, yeah, I don't like that nail growth. I think that it looks pretty off. So yeah, I don't know if I have anything else to say. I think this brand is very good. I would highly recommend that if you can buy these polishes or you have them. I think they're very good, and I totally approve them. And also, I think that this top coat will be very nice if, for example, you can put that on another nail polish. I think that it will also make the nails last for longer, but I'm not sure. I haven't tested that, and probably I will not because, you know, I need to change my nails for a bit earlier than every 10 days. So I don't know, maybe in 2 months or 3 months time I'll be able to do such tests, but for now I just need to use the nail polishes that I have because I have so many. So yeah, that sums up that review. I hope that you liked it. And yes, if you did, also please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!